Are you happy? Or do you sit there and think about how you wish you could be doing something else? What if I told you that the things you wanted most in life were within your reach, and that if you were willing to do what it takes, you could completely change your life in a year? What if all you had to do was go for it? Life was meant to be lived, full of experiences, not things. You only get one shot, so how do you want to spend it? Full of regret, comparing yourself to others, looking at your phone screen, wishing you could do the things that people who took action are? This world is massive and full of possibilities. You should never limit yourself or settle for anything less than what will make you happy. Only a year ago, I was in school playing college basketball on a scholarship. Unhappy and wanting to see the world, I was afraid to leave everything I had spent my life working for. But it was in that moment when I felt most afraid and my heart was beating the fastest, where I was a little bit more excited than scared. That's when you have to jump. Look around you. How many people do you think are settling? Settling for okay jobs, okay relationships, and an okay life. Why? Because it's comfortable. But okay is not thrilling. It's not passion. It's not life-changing or unforgettable. Okay is not the reason you risk absolutely everything for the smallest chance that something amazing could happen. You will never feel like you have it all figured out. It will never feel like the right time. Let go of your expectations and let go of having to plan everything. Nothing in life is certain except for the fact that none of us will live forever. Let this be the year you throw yourself out of your comfort zone. Let this be the year that you take those deeper breaths and take risks. Let this be the year you find yourself in your passion. Stop putting your dreams on the back burner waiting for the perfect time. There's no such thing. Life is about breaking your own limits. So please, for no one other than yourself, don't let another year go by. Make this one count, because you never know when it'll be your last.